Did you know a giraffe's tongue can grow up to 45 centimeters long enough to reach what others cannot, and survive where few can? Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth, silent giants of the African savanna. From the horizon, they appear almost unreal, moving slowly, as if time itself bends around them. But their height is not just beauty, it is survival. From above the grasses, they can see danger long before it arrives. A single movement in the distance, and the entire rhythm of their world shifts. When they run, they do not stumble under their size. They flow, reaching speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Their long legs move in perfect, almost hypnotic coordination, carrying them across vast, open land. Most of their lives are spent in quiet focus, feeding, carefully selecting leaves from thorn-covered trees, using precision, patience, and instinct. In a world full of competition, they have found their own space, above it. Giraffes are not loud, they do not dominate through sound or force. Instead, they exist in a more subtle balance, communicating through movement, presence, and distance. They come and go in ever-changing groups, never fixed, never controlled, just part of a constant, natural flow. And yet even these towering figures are not untouched by change. As their world shifts, their space grows smaller, and their future more uncertain. Still, they remain. Standing tall against the horizon, calm, aware, and enduring, a quiet reminder that strength does not always need to be loud.